Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add barcodes to your designs in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, just simply click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find barcode generator by dialog. So the app generates barcode in various sizes, colors and format. So you can click use in new design, or you can use in existing design. This one for example. Now you can select barcode type, for example a pharma code MSI. So the data encode into barcode, for example, and barcode image color, so you can choose the color. Let's try a white one or the gray one, then click to generate barcode. So here we go. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.